In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to favorite elements and templates in Canva. This is a handy feature that can save you time and effort, allowing you to quickly access those design elements you use most often. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, this tutorial will guide you through the process with ease. Let's start by opening Canva and navigating to the homepage. Here you'll see a variety of options on the left side of the screen. Look for the tab labeled Elements. Clicking on this will bring up a vast selection of design elements you can use in your projects, from basic shapes and icons to more complex graphics. Once you're in the Elements section, take a moment to explore and identify elements you think would be useful for your future designs. As you hover over each element, you'll notice three small dots appearing at the top right corner of the element. This is your gateway to managing your favorites. Hovering over these three dots brings up a small menu. Here you will see several options. What we're interested in is the star icon. Clicking on this star will add the element to your favorites collection. It's as simple as that. This way, every time you find an element you like or foresee using again, you can quickly mark it as a favorite. Now you may be wondering, where can you find these favorite elements once you've starred them? Great question. Canva has a dedicated section for your favorites, making them easily accessible whenever you need them. Simply go back to the sidebar and you'll find the starred tab there, housing all your saved items in one convenient location. This feature is not just limited to elements, but it extends to templates as well. If you're on the lookout for entire layouts or designs to work with, you can use the same starring process. By adding templates to your favorites, you ensure that you have immediate access to your desired designs whenever inspiration strikes or when you're working on a tight deadline. It's worth noting, this little act of organizing your favorite elements and templates can significantly enhance your workflow in Canva. You'll find that by streamlining the design process in this way, you create more space for creativity and productivity. Remember, efficiency is key to any successful project. So there you have it, our quick and easy guide on how to favorite elements and templates in Canva. Keep this little trick in your toolkit and it will undoubtedly make your design endeavors smoother and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching and happy designing.